Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, your ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now today we're going to talk about two things: Kotoko arrival in Accra for the preseason, second stage of the preseason. I think the third stage will be in Dubai, but they are currently in Accra and they are training ahead of the move to Dubai. That's what reports are stating, that Kotoko will be moving to Dubai. They also talk about the steadfast defender Kotoko also signed. But before we go into that, I just want to use the opportunity to tell fans to lower the expectations from these players Kotoko are signing. Now, we've seen several times Kotoko sign players and it turns out bad. And not what we expect, especially Emmanuel Sakode and some other players that came to Kotoko but can't replicate the form in their former clubs. Now, the thing is that any player you're in love with, any player that you're happy Kotoko sign, please support this player when the player is struggling to adapt to the team. Support them, show them support whenever they are struggling, and also praise them whenever they are doing good. If they are doing bad, give constructive criticism. Don't say they should sack him after 2 weeks, after 2 months. Please, we should be very careful with the way we criticize players in the upcoming season. And me, I'm going to change. I know I criticize a lot. I'm going to change. I will try to bring out constructive criticism the way I did with Emmanuel Sakode. And I want to tell you guys that we should just try and moderate our expectations from these new players we are signing, because they're coming to a big club. As I said earlier, the pressure will be too much, and I hope they handle them well. So let's get over to today's topic. Kotoko are currently in Accra. They'll be training here for some time. I think before the closure of this week, they'll be in Dubai, according to reports from Kumasi and from local media. Kotoko will be traveling to Dubai. And I also heard that Steven Mukwala, the Ugandan striker, might join Kotoko in Dubai. I'm not sure about that one, but that's what I heard. Kotoko will be training in Accra. I think previously they have come to Accra to do preseason. I don't know if it was under Maxwell Konedo. They have traveled to Accra to do preseason, a change of environment for the coach to assess the mentality of the boys, how they play in Kumasi and how they play outside Kumasi and far away from Kumasi. So I think it's going to be a very interesting to see how the whole training session pans out. I'm just trying to get the venue of the place. If I get the venue of the place, I will check if I can go there and get some footage and some reports for you guys here on the channel. I'll try my best to see if I can attend at least one of the training sessions while they are here in Accra. I'm currently in Accra. I think if I get to the location of where they are training currently, I might visit them one of these days and get reports for you guys. So the second thing we're going to talk about is the steadfast FC defender Mohammed Sherif. Kotoko have signed that guy. He's a defender, very young defender, and Kotoko have signed him, and they haven't announced him. They say he's currently with the squad in Accra training ahead of their trip to Dubai. So I think signing young players is very interesting. Now, people might say the team is too much, we have a lot of players, but listen, most of these players will not play forever. Most of these players are young, and Kotoko can ship them out if huge money offers come for them. Because if the money comes for them, Kotoko will have to let them go, because I think most of the players are players for the future. That's the young ones are players for the future. They'll come to Kotoko, they perform well, Kotoko sell them and make profits and invest it other areas of the club. So we shouldn't be worried about the squad size, because I know the management knows what they are doing. I'm very confident in the management. I know that they are working towards the betterment of the club, and every recruitment they are making this transfer window, they have a plan for them. So I'm trying to put my faith in them. I'm going to trust them. So you guys should try and do the same, because not all the players will play at once. Sometimes this one will play, sometimes this one will sit in the bench. Sometimes some players will have to wait long to get their time to shine. So I think the thing that matters most is just be patient. When your time comes, grab it with both arms, just like the way Andrew Sepeu did under Mariana Barreto. So I think it's very exciting to see how things are going, and I hope the boys prepare very well and perform ahead of the upcoming season. Season begins very soon. I'm expecting a lot from the Kotoko squad, the coach, the team, and the fans as a whole. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.
Beast. Oh. Go manga, go manga. Go. Man fans ni be. Ashara. Man di kumi fans.
Ali kumi. Oye bloni. Boy na man fans na. Abalo.
Squad above video you move by force. Hey.